topic is of law of attraction. You know, the law of attraction. What is the law of attraction is, it basically, it's a universal law which helps us to attract the luck, money, success, love, joy, abundance, faith, growth, etc. to our mind. So how do you get these things in our life? First of all, let's understand the goals of our life. What do you want from life? So it's like life goals. If you see, normally these are the life goal for anyone, like a person who is looking forward for money or prosperity, the first thing. Second thing the person may be looking forward is love and respect. The third thing is good health, obviously, and the fourth thing is constant motivation, and the fifth thing could be serving the society, and finally the supreme bliss. More or less, we all are looking forward for these six things in our life, or different ways, maybe a little bit here or there, but the idea is finally we want all of them, right? Without any differentiation in, like, we are whatever caste or creed we belong to. It's just that we want most of these. So how do you achieve them? With the help of mind programming. The idea is like, how do you connect them with the life goals? So when you connect them as a life goals, you write them in a way where you define the end line of every goal. For example, it is written as a financial goal. If you want to achieve your financial goal, you'd write like, I want to have a passive income of, in Indian rupees, maybe 2 lakhs a month, or maybe let's say 200 to 2000 USD per month, maybe as a passive income. Passive income. When it say passive income, it simply means that it may not have to work as hard as I do for the active income. I may want to earn, maybe I want to earn a big amount, but as of now, it's the passive income which will require very minimum effort from my side, and it's just that because I will work, I mean, today to get this income tomorrow. It's like that. So we must have the financial freedom. So we call it as a financial freedom income or the passive income. So that should be defined something like this, with certain amount and starting end date. I hope you have set one of your goals, right? Most of us are having this financial goal. Yes or no? You agree with this? Financial goals are there, everyone? And this financial goal should be such that they make you free of they make you finally free of your efforts, right? You don't want to work for forever in your life. I mean, at least to earn money. So this is something which is an integral part of your life goals. And then everybody wants a healthy body. That simply means I should be able to, how do you measure that you have a healthy body? So the criteria for how do you, so the measurement criteria is like, I should be able to run for at least 30 minutes daily, and I should not be able to see I should not need to see any doctor, right? Any doctor in a year time period or so. So if you can do that, that simply means you have a healthy body. And similarly, I hope you all have this goal. And if you don't have, so we will put this affirmation, we will program our mind so that we have a healthy body. And you should, and when do you want it? We want right now, right? And till when, what time you want it? We want till the end of our life. So whenever we are, so till whatever time we are living, we must be healthy. So that's everybody's wish. So let's program our mind for this positive self, for this positive life goal. Because if we don't program, there are so many things outside which will just corrupt your mind. There are so many and negative programming things which are happening all around you, but very few positive things which are happening, right? So we have to program the mind in a very positive way. Then the third thing, which could be your, maybe your desire, for example, well settle my children by 31st of December 2028, whatever, depending upon whatever condition you have, you have a different family conditions. If you are a bachelor, you must be married by so and so date. So whatever, if you have children, they must be married, or they must be settled somewhere in their life, or whatever. Some kind of, maybe some kind of good education for the children, or whatever responsibilities you have, you must be able to overcome this responsibility within a given period of time. So the idea here is to complete your responsibility. So this is one of the life goal that you have to complete, right? Another life goal, which I think you must define. This is just an example which I'm putting forward. So maybe you know what I'm doing. So you must define your life goal like that. Another thing is, in addition to do something for my finance, for my finance, my health, my family, I must do something for the society. So that something is like your social goal. So the social goes by like influence positively the life of at least 10 million people by 2027. So this is one of the life goal, 10 million people. Maybe your life goal may not be that big. So at least, right, maybe 1 million, for example, or maybe 100,000 or whatever. The idea is that there should be a life goal to serve the society. Definitely. Right? Is that clear to all? I hope everybody understand this point. And we have a life goal for serving the society as well, right? Similarly, let's make a spiritual goal as well. So this will make the life complete. Right? So complete. The spiritual goal is attain the state of self-realization by the end of 2028. So this is a six-pack, like five major life goals. So what is the state of self-realization? Maybe you are not aware of it, but the idea is like in Indian philosophy, when we say self-realization is knowing your true potential by so and so date, and must be able to attain the state of supreme bliss. So there is a deadline for that. There is an end limit where I want myself to program on so and so date, right? So this, and then I want the happiness in all these things. Finally, all these goals are there for what? Ultimately, happiness is the goal. So to the happiness goal says that it's I want to stay happy from when until when? I want to stay happy forever. Starting when? Starting now, right? So that's the life goal. So let's set the goal very clearly. Once you know that you are very clear about this happiness goal, you will definitely achieve this goal. The idea is most of the people don't know exactly why they are here and what is their goal. Because I have been in this field for around maybe total 10 years plus experience in this field. When I say, when I meet people, okay, what is your life goal? Most of the people are so confused. Oh my goodness, what kind of question he has asked? They're totally confused about themselves. So what is your life goal? So let's clarify what is your life goal. And once you are clear, we will feed this goal in your superconscious mind or your subconscious mind. And finally, we should be able to achieve that. Because once the mind is programmed for a positive goal, definitely the goal will be achieved. So let's start with that topic now. So I hope you are clear about your life goal. If any kind of confusion is there, we can talk about it, because this is the ultimate thing. And finally, we say a check is issued, the gratitude bank of the universe, and it's so beautiful. The universe signs, and the universe says that, okay, we want to pay this magic check to you wherever. So basically, it is on the name of you, and amount you can fill by yourself. And the remittance advice is gratitude. It start with the gratitude, it's end with the gratitude. And it's unlimited abundance. Whatever you want, you can fill in this. And why not fill up infinite joy, infinite happiness, and infinite money? Definitely, it should be flowing in your life with everything out there. Who is the one who stops you from getting everything in your life? It's only limited by your mind. So let's start with the gratitude and start with the mind programming session. I hope you understand whatever uh, whatever you say, whatever I said just now.